Hi everyone, it's LaDon Brumfield, founder and director of the Girls Rule organization. And I'm still on vacation, but was inspired to create another video in our series. This video was really inspired by a conversation I recently had with a parent who was in the midst of a pretty sticky situation um, concerning her daughter. Her daughter had been participating in a summer program and had experienced a number of pretty significant assaults on her esteem, kind of on a daily basis. Things kind of bubbled to a head, and the young lady became very, very emotional and finally confided in her mother what had gone on. And her mother, whose heart just wept for her daughter, not knowing that all this time her daughter had been, experiencing these, pretty extreme and direct assaults on her daughter's esteem, asked her, honey, why didn't you tell me earlier so I could have done something sooner? And her daughter said, well, I didn't want to get anyone in trouble, and I just wanted things to kind of go smoothly so no one would get upset. Now, as a parent, of course, your heart just goes out to that young girl. Certainly mine does as a parent. And, as a youth worker, one of the things I've observed in a variety of different circumstances and situations that, not only girls, but we as women sometimes, and sometimes just as people on a human level, we will sacrifice our self esteem or our comfort for the comfort of others. And so when her mom shared this situation with me, it reminded me of one of our girls' rule affirmations, which is, I will not play myself small to make others feel comfortable. And I think that's a really important key message young ladies really need to hear today. Um, I can think of a few adults who have confided in me. They've had to tell themselves that message over and over again. But, we cannot teach young girls, or young men for that matter, to play their feelings, to play their dignity or their self respect small to make other people feel comfortable. It's important that we teach them to honor their feelings. Um, as they transition through a variety of situations, if they aren't equipped to do that, to value their feelings, to value their self-respect, to value their dignity, they'll give pieces away of that over the course of the years, and it will become a learned behavior, and it will significantly impact what they accept in life, both personally and professionally. So, one of the activities I would like to share with you to help you to facilitate conversation with the young people in your life, both girls and boys, and perhaps as an exercise to go through yourself if you desire, is to create your own kind of Bill of Rights as it pertains to respect. And so you want to focus specifically on areas like, self respect, like courtesy, with children, especially leisure time play. How do we expect for others to engage with us, to interact with us, to speak with us? What are our standards? What are our minimum standards? When we look at friendships and we're developing those Bill of Rights, we might want to include that as a bullet point as well. What do we expect from our friends? What are signals that our friends love, honor, and respect us and our feelings? And so I would definitely suggest kind of going through that activity. And then once you've defined clearly what we expect of others and included that in our Bill of Rights, also think about, what do we have the right to expect of ourselves? How do we speak to ourselves about ourselves? Do we say, is it acceptable within our Bill of Rights to say, well, we can sacrifice our self respect so that others are comfortable or happy or so that things go smoothly, or is that not okay? How do we speak to ourselves about ourselves again, as it relates to our body image, as it relates to our ability to achieve or master, both academic and physical challenges. The words we speak to ourselves are sometimes the most damaging. So, including several bullet points that really focus on what we have the right to expect of ourselves is really, really a very important component as well. I would love it if you would share, items or bullet points from your Bill of Rights that may serve as inspiration to others as they develop theirs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next component. Have a great day.